Debut.
Debut.
Yeah. It's our YouTube debut.
Debut. Are we going to go to the buffet?
Alright, so we're making jerky with the Cabela's jerky pistol. We already did one rack, and we've got a lot more than we expected. We're recording.
Okay.
Ready? Action.
There you go. Okay. Boy, it just lays it out nice and smooth. Perfect width, perfect depth, consistent.
Good.
And on this length of strips that we're making, we're getting about 9 of these. What is that, Rob? 2 feet?
Yep, 24 inches.
24-inch strips out of each tube. So that's really good, getting good mileage. Wow.
Now we're double barreling.
Uh-oh. Okay, we're using the double barrel. Let's make sure we get a good...
This will be round sticks.
Okay. Here, can you move your finger so I can just get the jerky pistol thing there? Okay. Oh, look at that. They sell them like that in the stores.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, how many passes do you think you'll get? Probably 2 or 3, maybe?
Probably 3. I'd say it'll be 6 rows, maybe.
Okay. Here, you guys want to see the nifty oven hood Rob built me? Did I yuv? We show it off. Out of a water trough. We were going to use the old rusty one for character, but it was a little too rusty to be hanging above food.
Yeah.
So we played it safe. How come things that you want to rust don't rust, and things you don't want rusted rust?
Mm-hmm.
That's a real issue.
Like my doggone truck.
There's a country song about that.
Mm-hmm. My dog,
Yep.
my truck, everything's rusted.
Yeah. And the train. Your dog, your truck, the train, and your woman.
My woman gets rusty.
It's not good if your woman gets rusty.
Alright guys, we got the smoker going, and got all the racks in it. I was not quite able to get all 30 pounds of jerky in there. There's like maybe 2 pounds left. I'll just do in the dehydrator, so I don't have to do a whole nother cook with this. But all the racks are full. I'll add some pictures in. I took some pictures with my phone because it was I was in a hurry to get it all in here. But right now it's running just under 150 degrees, and well, I think you can see it. I'm not sure. The light's kind of funky, but just under 150 degrees. I want to keep it right around 150. Anything under 200 would probably be good. But I got to go get some firewood to start a fire in my shop, so I can stay warm. From what I read, this is my first time doing venison jerky on the smoker. I've done it in the dehydrator a lot, but that much I don't have that big of a dehydrator, so yeah, from what I read is about 4 to 6 hours. They say there's a bend test that you can bend as long as it bends to 90 degrees and breaks roughly there, then it should be done. I did a mixture of jerky and snack sticks, so we'll see how it all turns out. I'm excited. Alright guys, we're about 2 hours in, and it's still holding right at just below 150. I've closed the dampers off quite a bit. That's what I really like about this smoker. This thing is by far probably the most efficient one. That, as big as it is, you can cold smoke with it. You can open up all the dampers, build a big fire in it, and get it up to, probably 250, 275, and hold a good temperature for quite a while. But right now, I mean, with everything closed up, it's running just below 150, and it's just super efficient for as big as it is. I'm very pleased with the way it's working. So, but everything's coming along good. I have to get a light or something. It's getting kind of dark out here. You can kind of see. I don't know if you can see. I'll get a light out here and show you what the sticks are looking like. But it's going well. I got roughly about 2 more hours to go. Let me see if I can find a light. Those are the sticks there. They're cooking pretty well. They smell amazing. So we'll then I got the flats, the actual jerky itself in here, and they're cooking pretty good too. But it's going well. It's Alright guys, here's the 4-hour update. I've been going about 4 hours now. I just threw 2 more logs in there. It's going pretty good. It's cold, it's snowing. I don't know if you can see it, but I think you can. We're still holding right at 150. It dropped down to like 140, so I went ahead and threw 2 more logs in there. Get it going. It's looking pretty good. It's actually looking really good. I just don't think it's quite dry enough yet. I'd like to crisp it up a little bit more. So, it's going good though. It's definitely shrunk down a little. I mean, I don't know if you can see how much gap. Yeah, there's about an inch gap in between each one now. So it's shrunk down just a little, but that's expected. So the snack sticks in here, they're looking good. Man, I need to get some lights inside this thing. So they got a little bit to go too before they crisp up real good, but I'm happy. It seems to be going well. Sorry about the lighting, but like I said, it's my first time smoking jerky on a smoker. I've always done it in the dehydrator. I really wanted to see how much I could fit in the big smoker, and it didn't quite hold 30 pounds of the ground stuff, which, I mean, it's flat. If I'd add 2 more racks, even 3 more racks, it'd be good. But yeah, it's going well. I always wait till late to do this stuff, and it's 8 o'clock now. But with it getting dark outside earlier, I'm always a lot more tired earlier. So, all right. So here's the final product. Got her. Oh, here's the final product. These are the round sticks. And these are the jerky pieces. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, please. I appreciate it.